In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sum function returns 0 in Excel. If your sum formula is returning 0, even though your cells clearly look like they contain numbers, the problem is often that those values are actually stored as text. This is a very common issue in Excel, especially when data has been copied from another source or imported from a file. The good news is that it's very easy to fix. Start by opening your Excel workbook and then go to the Graph tab. Once you're there, look closely at the cells that contain the numbers you want to add. In this example, you'll notice a small green marker in the corner of those cells. That green indicator is Excel's way of warning you that the numbers are being stored as text instead of as real numeric values. When Excel sees text, the sum function usually ignores it, which is why your total may come back as 0. Even though the values look like numbers on the screen, Excel doesn't recognize them properly for calculation. To fix this, you have a couple of options. One method is to delete the contents of the affected cell completely and type the number in again manually. That works well if you only have 1 or 2 cells to correct. But if you want a cleaner and safer option, especially for demonstration purposes, you can convert the value in another cell instead. In this example, we're going to do it in another cell. Click into an empty cell, then type equals value, followed by an opening parenthesis, and then select the cell that contains the number stored as text. After that, close the parenthesis and press Enter. This formula tells Excel to take the text-based number and convert it into a real numeric value that Excel can calculate. Once you've done that, the new cell should now contain a proper number. At this point, you can use that new cell in your sum function instead of the original text-based one. When you do, Excel should calculate the total correctly. This is a simple fix, but it can save a lot of frustration when formulas don't behave the way you expect. If you ever see a green marker in a number cell and your calculations seem off, checking whether the value is stored as text is a great first troubleshooting step. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.